Today we're going to be reviewing the Racquetball slash pickleball glove. I do have it right here. The brand name is Head. This is actually for right-handers. They do have left-handers, so be on the lookout. Do not accidentally buy the wrong one. And then this is a size large, and that's that L right there. So it does have that silicone web pattern for grip. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but there it is right there. You guys could see it. That's where you're going to have a nice little grip. It does have that cool technology, the microfiber cool mesh for maximum breathability, so you are going to be able to breathe when you're wearing this glove, or your hand is anyways. And then it does have the spandex for ultimate comfort, so it is nice and comfy. Let's go ahead and pull this out, and we're going to go ahead and review it. As you guys can see, not too many moving parts. It's just in this plastic bag. All we're going to do is remove it. I did want to tell you guys that this is actually my second glove. My first glove, I was using it for a little over a year and a half, and it was still good to go, but it was kind of getting a little bit worn out, so I went ahead and bought the new one. So this is the grip that we were talking about right here. You guys could see that nice little grip, that webbing right there. And then this is a large. We do have that breathable mesh that you guys could see right here. Hopefully you guys could see it. And then we do have the brand name Head right here, and it does have that Velcro strap. So let me go ahead and put these on. And yes, I am a large. Okay, got it like that. Let me Velcro it the right way, and it does feel nice on my hand, you guys. I do have my racket here. Okay, I do have my racket, and I gotta tell you guys, like, this is a nice grip. I love playing. Like, I can't, once you guys play with the glove, you like can't go back and play without a glove. I definitely love this glove, and I recommend it.